Hello and welcome to my video. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I like to spend too much money on clothes. My channel is full of clothing unboxing videos. That's pretty much all it's made up of. Either styling boxes or clothing hauls, mostly styling boxes because I don't know how to pick out my own clothing. I didn't realize it was so hard, but stylists do a much better job than I do. And they get me to try things I wouldn't normally try. Like this. Yeah, mixed pattern. I wouldn't normally try that. So, if you are interested in clothing and seeing these type of videos, please subscribe below. If you're not interested, subscribe anyways, because why not? Today I have a Stitch Fix box, everybody's favorite. Now, my last couple of Stitch Fixes haven't been real exciting for me. I'm not quite sure what it is, whether it's style or the prices or what it is. I ended up sending up everything back in my last box because I had one shirt that I thought I liked, but the more I thought about it, I didn't like it enough to pay $54 for it. So I did send everything back again. So this time I told my stylist, although I'm still looking for petite maxi dresses, I just said, send me the most budget-friendly stuff you can and just whatever you like for me. I've kind of come to realize I think I'm difficult to shop for because there's a lot of the current trends that I actually don't really care for. So my profile says no cold shoulder, no off the shoulder, no leggings, things like that. And then even the patterns, I don't like a lot of big patterns. I'm just more of like polka dot, stripe, solid color person. So I've limited the stylist choices down very much because all these other things that I've said no of are a lot of the current trends. So while I've considered switching stylists, I don't know that that's going to help because I just think I'm picky. So anyways, all that to say, I am very excited to see what's inside, and let's dig into it. Now, I never peek at these boxes when they say they're being sent. The only thing I do is I shake it around to see if it sounds like I have shoes in here. It does not, so it sounds like one bundle. Okay, I am correct. So, we have our mailer to send back the things we don't want, and then you get your styling card and your prices here in this envelope. We'll look at that at the end. Let's get to the good stuff. Okay, and our bundle. So I see a tassel, I see some red, some patterns, some denim, maybe a maxi dress. Here's what it looks like from the other side. So let's dig in. Here we go. Let's get started. Okay, we have a Paper Moon red scalloped tulip sleeve top with a keyhole button in the back. Now this is very Jen. I like red. I like tulip sleeved. I think I'm gonna like this a lot. Next up, we have this white and blue top. It's got a kind of crochet detail here. It's also got a tassel tie here in the front, so that is cute. Next up, we have, I think this is gonna be a maxi dress. It is, really is. Okay, so we have this maxi dress here with, I just think, a double strap here, V-neck, ruched in the waist here, and there is a slit somewhere on this. We will see once I have it on. And I will say, and it's very soft, love the material. I would say as long as it's not too long, this is going to be a winner. Next up, we have a cuffed frayed end short. So I hope these will fit. May have a slightly longer inseam than I like, but that'd be nice. I have some other shorts that are all too short, and I feel like I'm trying to be 15, and I'm not. I'm not even close. Okay, last up we have another maxi dress. Awesome. Okay, so this one is short sleeve. It is a wrap dress, and I think looks really cute. So awesome. Can't wait to try this on. Okay, first up we have these shorts and the tank. Now these shorts they feel amazing. They are a high waist. They fit like a glove. They're not too long. They're stretchy. They're soft. I have nothing but good things to say about these shorts. So these will probably be keepers unless they're like $100. Oh, I also forgot to mention they're distressed, which is cute. Cute detail. So now, tank. It's cute. I like it. I'm not like super excited about it, so it might just be a matter of if the price is right. Okay, next item. Next up, we have this red scalloped at the bottom, scalloped on the sleeve, tulip sleeve top, and I really like it. So again, unless it's like weirdly expensive, I think this will be a keeper. I like the color of it, I like the style of it, it fits well, so I really like this top. Okay, next item. Put on my sunglasses so I'll stop being so squinty. Okay, so I've got the wrap dress on, and it's a little bit too low cut for my taste. So I may have to consider wearing a tank under it if I want to keep it. This is actually more of like a midi dress, and it is a high-low dress. Hopefully you guys can see that. And in the back kind of goes almost down to my ankles, or down to my ankles in the back. I think it's cute. I don't know that I'm completely wowed by it, but I'm thinking about it. It's definitely a possibility to keep this. Okay, now let's try on the last dress. Last up, we have the maxi dress, which I think the dress is really cute. It fits well, other than, I mean, it goes about 6 inches past my ankle. So since I'm not into wearing 6-inch heels, I won't be able to keep this. And I don't tend to get things hemmed, and they just sit in my closet as I plan to hem them. So I'm not going to be keeping this. I didn't check to see if it's petite or not, so I will check that, because I'm surprised it is so long. I mean, even a petite could be long on me. I find that with pants a lot, but I didn't expect a petite dress to be that much too long. So let's go ahead and check the prices. Okay, before I read through prices, let's go ahead and see what the stylist has to say. I always like to read that last because they usually tell you about half what's in the box, and there's just something thrilling about pulling out each item and not knowing what it's going to be. So, okay, my stylist is Tara, who has been my stylist since fix number 2, and I believe this is like fix number 6 or 7, I want to say. 7. Okay, so here we go. She says, "Hi Jennifer, happy fix day. I hope you are having a fabulous summer. Today's fix is filled with casual summer favorites that are as close to budget as possible. The Vegas shorts are a classic summer staple piece. These would be cute paired with the tie neck top from Eclectic Concepts for a fun weekend or barbecue. I was able to snag you a couple of fun maxi dresses to try. For casual look, slip on the navy paper moon maxi dress, pair with wedges, and you are ready for the day. The burgundy maxi dress would be a classic for dinner out on the town. Have fun on all your pieces. I can't wait to hear what you think. Until next time, XO Tara." Okay, so there we go. I will study the style card a little later, because I do like to consider how they suggest pairing them when I'm thinking about keeping them. So let's go over the prices. The most disappointing part of this whole process is always the prices. Okay, what we have, this is the Vegas Pixie Distressed Cuffed Frayed Hem Short, and it is $48. This is the Paper Moon Delana Scallop Detail Blouse, and it is $44. This burgundy dress is by Fortune and Ivy. It is the Irene Faux Wrap Brush Knit dress, and it is $48. And then we have the Wilson tie neck top, and it is by Collective Concept. It is $58. And we have the Paper Moon Wendelin knit maxi dress, and it is $54. So that gives me a total of $252. If I buy it all and take off my styling fee, then my order total would be $169. So overall, it's not terrible. Last box I didn't have anything below 50 bucks. This time I at least have a couple in the 40 some range. My dream is to someday have something in the 30 some range. So I'd say after looking at these prices and having tried everything on, I think the winners are the shorts. Love those shorts. They're my new favorites. I will probably wear them way too much. And the red scallop detail blouse. I thought that was really cute. It was pretty. And so I think that one is a winner as well. As always, I had a good time with my Stitch Fix box. This one I ordered as quickly as I could after the last one. I might do that again, but it's just so addicting. It really is. All the styling boxes I've been trying is addicting. And then once, I always think, hey, I'm gonna try this new box, and I'm just gonna get one. But then once I get one, I wanna get more, and then it's hard to stop. So I'm getting too many boxes. But anyways, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you get notified every single time I post. I really appreciate you watching this video. Thanks for stopping by. Hopefully you'll be around for the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.